another video of Please Racing Vlogs. William. In today's video, working again on the K-Trip episode 205. In this video we're going to test out the new fuel system I made. Here's the fuel neck I built in the last video. This is, well, it's going to be tested right now. I'm going to fuel it up and then start it up. And also it runs on 3 cylinders right now, but I think a coil went out. So that's going to be addressed in this video. So let's get started. I don't even know if the battery still has charge in it. It's been a while, but let's go test it out. On. Some things are happening. Interesting. Full bar. It's actually, how is it possible? It runs on 4 cylinders again. You tell me. Bit too ambitious with the revving. Hold on. Well, that is way better than I expected the car because it, oh well, that's what it does when it's cold. But yeah. Well, actually, hold on. Let's shut this thing up. I also have some other bits to install. Let's do this video as well. Or else this video will be like 5 minutes long or short. So what we have here in this box. Something that I have for like over a year now, probably a year and a half. If I can open it with one hand. Check this out. Solid rear beam bushings. Bushings? Well, at least they're solid. I'm gonna put these things in. Might as well. So, now let's install these. Well, actually replacing those things is actually not too difficult. They're right over there. As you can see, both of them right over there. One bolt and one bolt at the top. The only thing that you probably need to do is let's switch off the lights. Is probably loosen the other 2 bolts from the rear beam. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to do it without that, but it probably needs to get done. So let's get started. Yep. Well, just as I expected, these 4 bolts need to be loosened as well. So let's go do that. Getting them out can be a bit tricky, but as you can see right here, this one can be removed. Yes.
Attention all units, attention all units, this is Sergeant Stadenko. Attention all units, this is Sergeant Stadenko. We are changing from a code 3 direct pursuit to a code 347. Completely lost due to incompetence.
Sure, got it. And with that, the rear beam bushings are installed. So with that, that's almost the end of the video. But first, I also got my new fuel pump in. I decided to yet again go for an in-tank one. And when I installed it, which I'm going to show now, it still wasn't perfect, so I actually took the fuel filters out and they were all clogged up. So I removed the fuel filters. I'm going to change them to a different model because these things, I don't know, they're not very good. They really restricted the flow. So now actually, check this out. ready to go testing again. Hell yes. And with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, want to see more, and hopefully see you in the next one, which will hopefully be a testing video, or maybe an interior from my daily stuff. Let's see what's going on.